You have the right to work in an environment free of discrimination, retaliation, and sexual harassment. It is illegal for an employer to discriminate against an employee or treat the employee unfairly or differently because of the employee's race, national origin, age, disability, religion, sex. This includes sexual harassment and sexual assault, marital status, and public assistance status. In Minnesota, it is also illegal for an employer to discriminate on the basis of family status or sexual orientation. Illegal employment discrimination includes when an employer fires an employee, refuses to hire someone, or fails to give a promotion to an employee, or other unfavorable treatment at work because of that employee's membership in one of those classes. You have the right to work in an environment that is free of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is a form of sex discrimination and is illegal. Sexual harassment may include the following: vulgar jokes or remarks, unwelcome touching, requests for sex, or sexual assault. It is illegal for an employer to retaliate or punish an employee because the employee did what is called a protected activity. Some actions that are protected activities include the following: complaining to an employer or filing a complaint related to discrimination, including sexual harassment, or complaining to an employer or filing a complaint related to unpaid wages, or complaining to an employer or filing a complaint related to unsafe working conditions, or filing a workers' compensation claim. Protected activities are not limited to this list. Illegal retaliation includes firing, refusing to rehire, failing to give a promotion, or other unfavorable treatment because an employee did one of these protected activities. Here's how you protect your rights. If you think you have experienced a situation of discrimination, retaliation, or sexual harassment, write it down. This includes writing down the date and time that the situation happened and describing what happened. Make sure you also write down witnesses and their contact information, including their phone number or email. If your employer has a complaint process for these problems, follow your employer's complaint process. Even if your employer does not have a process, tell your employer what happened and ask them to fix it. You have the right to work in an environment free of discrimination, retaliation, and sexual harassment. You can call the Agricultural Worker Project for help at 1-800-652-9733. Many of the legal claims related to discrimination, sexual harassment, or illegal retaliation have a filing deadline of 300 days or less from the date of the most recent incident. Therefore, it is important to act immediately if you need help.